Hi, this is tj.rozansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over essential tips to prevent water damage. Disasters can strike unexpectedly, leading to costly repairs and health risks. Follow these steps to protect your home. Key prevention tips: regular plumbing maintenance, inspect pipes for leaks and weak spots to prevent bursts. Insulate pipes, prevent freezing and bursting in cold weather. Install a leak detection system. Early alerts help prevent major damage. Maintain roof and gutters, keep them clean to prevent leaks and mold. Watch for sewage backup signs. Foul odors, slow drainage, and pooling water can indicate potential problems. Minimizing damage when a disaster strikes. Shut off the water supply immediately. Call professionals. PDQ Restoration handles water, mold, soot, and fire damage. Remove standing water. Use dehumidifiers and extracting devices to prevent mold growth. Inspect for contamination. Mold and sewage require expert remediation. Document the damage. Your insurance company will ask for photos and for records to keep for your insurance claim. Prevent future water disasters. Schedule regular inspections to detect issues before they escalate. Upgrade old systems. Replace outdated plumbing and roofing. And educate your family. Ensure everyone knows how to respond to leaks and flooding. To conclude, preventative measures and quick responses can save your home from disaster. At PDQ, we provide expert fire and water damage restoration. If you have any questions, please give us a call.